my mind. I grow fonder every day, lose myself inside, just thinking of your face. God only knows why it's taken me so long to let my doubts go. You're the only one that I want. I don't know why I'm scared. I've been here before. Every feeling, every word, I've imagined it all. You never know if you never try to forgive your past and simply be mine. So I dare to let me be the one only. Promise I'm worthy to hold in your arms. So come on and give me a chance to prove I'm the one who can walk that mile until the end starts. I've been on your mind. You hang on every word that I say. Lose yourself in time. At the mention of my name, will I ever know how it feels to hold you close and have you tell me whichever road I choose you go. I don't know why I'm scared, 'cause I've been here before. Every feeling, every word, I've imagined it all. You never know if you never try to forgive your past and say